this is you, Scarlett. So right now we're in my aunt's house, and please, before we do anything, we're gonna do our handshake. Okay, we'll be right back. Thank you. Bye. Handshake. The twins hashtag Ortiz. So hit the button because we're gonna give something away. Okay, I'll be right back. So I'm gonna give away the PlayStation, but right now I'm just gonna get the control because the PlayStation is in my room and I can't get it out. I bought it yesterday, so it could be brand new. So hit the button if you want the PlayStation, okay? My brother's playing Fortnite. He bought his own, and I bought my own for a giveaway. And as well, I'm gonna be giving away a spec case. Where you could put away your Chromebook and your computer, and as well, this will be a giveaway. So I hope you guys could subscribe and leave the button. Give us a shout out, please. Please give us a shout out, and we'll love it. So give us a shout out, and whoever gave us a shout out, we'll give you the PlayStation. And also hit the button, please. And as well, please hit the button, and we will give this giveaway. And this is pink, purple, and gold, and gray. And I hope you guys could subscribe to give us a giveaway. Okay. So thank you for watching our video. We appreciate it. Please, I want over 3 million subscribers in my video, and we will give away more things. As I said, if you guys give me a shout out too, I'll give it away too. And also, please subscribe because we're gonna give away a giveaway. And as well, I hope you guys can subscribe and hit the button, and you guys have a good one. Obviously, you guys are gonna say, what is on your nails? And my nails, I got some nails yesterday from Target, and I put them on, and I glued them on, and you know what? So we'll be right back, okay? My sister's gonna close the door because, you know, there's people outside and you don't want to see them. So we'll be right back. Thank you for watching our video. Bye!